live in the Midlands area and you're looking to buy a Dugard machine, then Chris Anson might be the man who arrives on your door, because Chris has got a new role here at Dugard. Tell me about this role, Chris.
That's it, yeah. So Dugard have offered me a unique role of service engineer with some sales as well.
So you said service engineer. Is this your background then?
Yeah, so I've been in the service business for 10 years on various different machines, from sliders to VMCs to fixed heads, twin pallet machines.
So what was the pull to come across to Dugard for you?
Well, it's a nice personal company, family based, which is really useful when it comes to selling machines, because you have that backup, you have that personal touch.
And that's what you're going to do. And is that quicker? Do you feel like there's a quicker response time for the customer?
Definitely, yeah, definitely.
And what machines do you like here?
Well, most of my experience is based on the sliding heads. So, for me, that's where I really want to get my teeth in. Also, the Kitamuras, really nice, solid machines.
Let's talk Hanwha. What was the draw here?
Really high quality machine. Bit of a secret one, to be honest. And we plan to make sure everybody knows about them.
Okay. So, anybody in the Midlands, what are they going to get when they meet you?
So, coming from a service background, I can make sure they get great service, great machines at a great price.
Perfect. Thanks, Chris.